Very good morning, children. Welcome to the psychology classroom. I hope you all are fine and everybody is fine at home, children. I just hope you all are working very hard for your board examination, and I wish you all the best for it. And when I talk about my subject psychology, so in this particular subject, basically in this particular subject you all have given the revision test. So we have completed over the revision test, children. So now I am discussing with you some of the case study based question. Yesterday only also I had discussed with you some of the case study based question. Today also I am going to discuss with you some of the case study. As I had discussed with you yesterday of the chapter 1 case study question, and now today I am going to discuss with you from the chapter 2nd. So let us do about it. I want from you all to write down this particular case study with me. So the case study, Allport suggested that, I am going to write it down the passage here. Allport suggested that the best method, Allport suggested that the best method to assess, Allport suggested that the best method to assess a person is by asking him or her about himself or herself. I hope, children, you were also writing with me. Allport suggested that the best method to assess a person is by asking him or her about himself or herself. Self-reports are fairly structured measures. Self-reports are fairly structured measures often based on a theory that requires subject to give verbal responses, subject to give that requires subject to give verbal responses using some kind of rating scale. Up to this, children, I want from you all to note it down, and I want to explain to you also. Allport suggested that the best method to assess a person is by asking him or her about himself or herself. Allport का कहना था कि पर्सन को समझने के लिए और पर्सन की असेसमेंट के लिए सबसे बेस्ट मेथड होता है जब आप पर्सन से खुद उसके बारे में पूछो। सेल्फ रिपोर्ट जो होते हैं वो फेयरली स्ट्रक्चर्ड मेजर्स होते हैं और ये थ्योरी पे बेस्ड होते हैं, जिसमें कि सब्जेक्ट को वर्बल रिस्पॉन्स देना पड़ता है यूजिंग सम काइंड ऑफ रेटिंग स्केल। Olcott के according self-report method are the best method for the assessment of the person's personality. According to him, अगर if you want to know about any person's behavior, you should understand about and you should ask them to tell them about themselves. So I want to continue here. I hope up to the rating scale you all have written it. So I am rubbing it because as I have given you the sufficient time to note it down. The method requires the subject, to objectively report his or her feelings with respect to various items. The responses are accepted at face value. They are scored in quantitative terms. And interpreted on the basis of norms developed for the test. After going through this passage, I think children you understand about that this passage is basically all about the Olcott's self-report technique. Self-report technique is a method require the subject to objectively report. इसमें जो subject है अपनी feelings के बारे में objectively report करता है with respect to various items. The responses are accepted at face value. They are scored in quantitative terms and interpreted on the basis of the norms developed for the test. ये subjective interpretation नहीं होता है, इसका objective interpretation होता है. Quantitative methods are applied for the interpretation and the scoring of that particular test. I want from you all to write it down up to this one. So I just hope up to this one you all have written it down, as I had given you the enough time. So I am moving forward, children. After the test, you will write down some of the well-known self-report measures. Some of the well-known self-report measures are Cattle Cysteine PF, some of the well-known self-report measures are Cattle Cysteine PF, MMPI, EPQ, Eisen Personality Questionnaire. The self-report measures can suffer from social desirability or tendency, can suffer from social desirability or tendency on the part of the respondent to endorse items in a socially desirable manner. And I want from you all to note it down up to this one. The above one I am just erasing with the hope you have written these two lines. So manner and acquiescence. After that one you will write down from here acquiescence, the tendency of the subject to agree with items with tendency of the subject to agree with items irrespective of its contents. Irrespective of its content. So here the passage is completed and this case study is completed. I hope you all have written it down. If you want to write it down, you can write it down also. Okay, I hope आपने इसे लिख लिया होगा. So let me explain this particular passage which you all have written it. Allport suggested that the best method to assess a person is by asking him or her about himself or herself. Allport का मानना था कि पर्सन अपने ही बारे में अगर जब बताता है तो उसका बेस्ट असेसमेंट हो सकता है. उन्होंने इस टेक्निक को सेल्फ रिपोर्ट टेक्निक कही. सेल्फ रिपोर्ट टेक्निक बहुत ही फेयरली स्ट्रक्चर्ड टेक्निक मानी जाती है. ये थ्योरी पे बेस्ड होती है और that require the subject to give verbal response. Verbal response subject को देना होता है using some kind of rating scale. The method require the subject to objectively report his or her feeling with respect to various item. ठीक है, उसको अपनी feelings को objectively report करना पड़ता है. ठीक है. The responses are accepted at face value. They are scored in quantitative term and interpreted on the basis of norm developed for the test. Some of the well-known self-report measures are CATL, Cysteine, PF, MMPI and EPQ. The self-report measures can suffer from social desirability or tendency on the part of the respondent to endorse item in a socially desirable manner and acquiescence. Basically, although it is one of the very good techniques, self-report technique, it is given by the Allport and it is one of the best technique for the assessment of the person's personality, and it is a technique which is given by the Allport, and he suggested that the best way to understand others' personality is to ask himself or herself about them. उन्हीं से पूछिए उनके बारे में. They give the factual information about them and that is considered to be the best way for assessing them. Some of the self-report technique which were discussed like MMPI, EPQ and Cysteine PF. Although this method has a merits, but it has some demerits also. Like we talk about the social desirability and acquiescence. Social desirability means responding the items in a socially desirable manner and responding the items on every items in yes response. Okay, आप yes response में सभी items को respond कर देते हो. So this is all the passage about. Now on the basis of this particular passage, some of the question will be asked to you. Okay, so let us solve that particular questions. So I am rubbing this one with the hope you all have written it down. Okay, now the first question. Which of the following is our self-report measures? Which of the following is or are self-report measures? Which of the following is or are self-report measures? Options आपको मिलेंगे MMPI, 16 PF, EPQ, and the option is all the above. So on the given passage you will answer this particular question. So I think your answer will be all the above. Okay. All the above are the self-report measures. Now moving to the second question, children. If you want to note it down, please note it down or take a screenshot. Okay, and now I'm rubbing it. Second question. Responses are scored in dash. On the basis of the passage you will answer this particular question. So responses are scored in, answer will be quantitative terms. Quantitative terms. Okay, this will be your answer, children. Quantitative terms. Okay, आगे बढ़ेंगे. Third question. The best method to assess a person is by asking. The best method to assess a person is by asking him or her about himself or herself. The best method to assess a person is by asking him or her about himself or herself. Who stated the above statement? The best method to assess a person's personality is by asking him or her about himself or herself. Who stated the above statement? So obviously your answer will be Gordon Allport, whom we call as G. Allport. Gordon Allport. The answer of this particular question, you will write it down. Okay, now I am rubbing it. Write down the fourth question. Dash or tendency is the main factor Due to that, the self-report measures can suffer. Self-report measures can suffer. So what will be your answer, children? There is some options also of this one. Okay. I hope you are all writing with me. आप लोग मेरे साथ लिख भी रहे होंगे. तो ऑप्शन है, सबसे पहला है पर्सन्स फीलिंग. सेकेंड है सोशल प्रेशर. थर्ड है सोशल डिजायरेबिलिटी. नेक्स्ट है all the above. I hope you all have written it down, the points. So what you will answer in this particular question? What will be the answer? So the answer is the C, social desirability. You will answer social desirability or tendency is the main factor due to that the self-report measures can suffer. So on the basis of the given passage, the 4 questions will be asked to you, and usually children these case study based questions were asked in the 4 marks or the 3 marks. 4 marks, or they can be asked to you in the 4 marks or 3 marks. If 3 questions were given on the passage, so it will be given the weightage of the 3 marks, and if the 4 questions will be given on the passage, so it will be given the 4 marks. So in this way the passages are coming, and we have discussed about with you of the passage related to the chapter 1, and today I am discussing with you the passage from the chapter 2, which is the self and personality. So one passage I had discussed with you in this video, and I just hope you understand this one very properly. This particular passage was based on the Allport's method for the assessment of the personality, which is the self-report. And he has this passage particularly discuss about all the characteristics of the self-report technique and all the techniques which included under the self-report, and what are their merits and demerits also. So on the basis of the given passage, we asked the 4 questions with you, and each questions were containing the weightage of the 1 marks. So this particular passage are of the 4 marks. So I hope you all have written it down the content, and you also understand the content with me, as well as you understand the set of questions. So I want from you to note it down. So I just hope children you understand the question properly, and you are understanding these case study based questions. Children, I can say that these case study based questions are a very new format which CBSE has put up in this year paper. So be very peculiar toward it, but I think it is very good also, and it is a very good method of scoring also. Like some of the 4 marks question, in some of the paper, the 2 questions were asked on the case study. One was asked in the 4 marks and one was asked in the 3 marks. But kisi mein both the study based questions were asked in the 4 marks. So it will be very beneficial for the children in order to get the 7 and 8 marks. So in my viewpoint, it is very good to involve these kind of questions in the paper, and these questions let the children to develop their logical and analytical thinking. So I just consider and I just suggest you all to do more and more practice of such type of question. Okay, I just hope that आपको ये समझ में आया होगा. You understand my point also, what I am saying to you all. So just thank you so much for carefully observing this video and do practice, children. Thank you.